Hello, this is Shrikant, and this weekend I'm coming to Kerala. Well, to meet you all so that we can share knowledge on how to convert our kitchen garbage into cleaning vinegars. Yes, so this time around, this weekend on Saturday and Sunday, that is 7 December and 8 December, we're going to have one night and one day session. So this is going to start at 6 p.m. on Saturday, 7 December until late evening, and then we're going to start a full-fledged session on bioenzymes on Sunday between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. So you can call on 948-966-3755 to register yourself to come and experience the knowledge, the nature and Saddarshan. Alright, I hope we'll all meet together this weekend. This is Srikantarji from Kerala. See you all.